To hold door open instead of using rope, zip ties and screws, we can buy something like this. I ordered this from Amazon. It is magnetic door stopper, and it has two pieces. One goes on the door, one goes on the wall. It can be installed by using screws or adhesive, which I might try to go with and see how strong is that, and if it's not strong enough later on I can use the screws. Here are instructions. It can be used on the floor and or on the wall. Here's all hardware that we have: two pieces, magnetic pieces, screws, adhesive, and plastic anchors. We need to clean wall to use adhesive and just stick it on, or we can use screws, drill them in, measure, locate, and that will be it. So I'm going to install this. We need to clean the surface that we're going to put this on with rubbing alcohol. We also need to locate where we want it and put both adhesives on each side. When we're ready and know where we're going to put it, we will just hold it there for 20 seconds and it will be done. Now I have both adhesives on. I know where I want it, and I'll go first on the door, line it up all the way to this seal, not press too much yet, and then go all the way to the wall and push it in. And hold for 20 seconds. So instead of rope and rigging it, we can use this magnetic thing, and it will hold it. It's magnetic. I can pull it to open it easy. I'll just wait a little bit to get the adhesive firmly on, and that's all. Cool thing, not so expensive. I wanted to share with everyone to give some ideas how to keep door open and easy close back again. Thank you for watching.